Matthew Prior, a Simile. Dear Thomas, didst thou never pop thy head into a tin man's shop? There, Thomas, didst thou never see, 'tis but by way of simile, a squirrel spend his little rage in jumping round a rolling cage? The cage is either side turned up, striking a ring of bells atop. Moved in the orb, pleased with the chimes, the foolish creature thinks he climbs, but here or there, turn wood or wire, he never gets 2 inches higher. So fares it with those merry blades that frisk it under Pindus shades. In noble songs and lofty odes they tread on stars and talk with gods, still dancing in an airy round, still pleased with their own verses' sound. Brought back how fast soe'er they go, always aspiring, always low.